All right, so in this video, we're going to go through each of these CSS puzzles. So the first one is puzzle 1. All right, so puzzle 1 is in an H1 tag. So H1 gets pink. And then if we look here, if it's an H1 tag that's a descendant of main, H1 is now here a descendant of main for this puzzle 1, then it's green. So because H1 being a descendant of main is more specific than just a general H1 tag, the puzzle 1 is going to be green because, again, H1 is a descendant of main, i.e. it's within main, and that's more specific than just a general H1. So for 1, we're going to say green. For puzzle 2, this is a paragraph. So up here, paragraph will get pink, but down here, if paragraph is a descendant of H1, which this one is, the paragraph is within the H1 tags, then you get the color red. So we're going to say red here. For puzzle 3, this has the ID puzzle 3. So if we go here, ID puzzle 3 is blue. So this is more specific than the H1 up here or the main H1 here. So there could be a lot of different H1s that are descendants of main, but there should only be one element with the puzzle ID puzzle 3. So this is going to be blue. And for puzzle 4 has the class green. So if we go up here, see the class green gives it the color green. So if unless there's anything else, I mean, there's still the P, but again, the class green is more specific than just a general paragraph tag. So we're going to go with green here for puzzle 4. All right, puzzle 5. All right, this one's a little trickier. It has the ID puzzle 5 and the class green. So ID puzzle 5, it's here, so that's black, and that's going to be more specific than the class green. So puzzle 5 is going to be black. And it looks like we actually saw a trick here. So puzzle 3 has the ID listed twice. So this is generally bad practice, but because this is a quiz, we're obviously trying to trip you up a little bit here. So puzzle 3, we initially thought it was blue because that would be the most specific. But because puzzle 3 is listed twice, whatever comes last takes priority. So the puzzle 3 down here is violet. That's going to take priority over the blue. So puzzle 3 we're going to put as violet, not blue. Okay, next up is puzzle 6. So this is going to have the classes green, blue, and under. So here's green, here's blue, here's under. So under is going to be in there, so that's going to be underlined. So number 6 is going to be underlined. And because it has both green and blue, and these conflict, because it's both telling it different colors that it should be, this one comes last. So we're going to go with color blue. So underlined and blue. Now for puzzle 7. So this is a paragraph, which would be pink. But if we come down here, because this one is a paragraph that's a descendant of footer, and this is a paragraph that's a descendant of a footer, this one's going to be more specific than the general paragraph tag. So it's going to be orange-red. For puzzle 8, we have green and under. So this would be green and this would be under, except for this is more specific here. So if green class is a descendant of footer, then it's going to be orange. So this is actually going to be orange and underlined. And then finally, puzzle 9. This has puzzle 9 ID yellow green. So that's going to be the most specific. So we're just going to put yellow green for that. All right, and we're going to flip to the next one to see whether or not we got these right. So puzzle 1 is green, 2 is red, 3 is violet, 4 is green, 5 is black, 6 is underlined and blue, 7 is orange-red, 8 is orange and underline, and puzzle 9 is yellow green. Looks like we got it all right, and we're on to the next lesson.